Hello, children, and welcome back to your English class. So, I hope you are doing well and great at your home. You must stay inside, and we will be providing you with all the material you required. So, our today's story is The Friendly Mongoose. This is chapter number 2 of your supplementary reader. This story is about mongoose and farmer's family. The story is taken from Panchtantra. Well, what is Panchtantra? Panchtantra is a book of collection of moral stories. There are different moral stories in Panchtantra. So, the friendly mongoose is one of them. Who are the characters of the story? The characters of the story includes farmer who brings mongoose into the house. There is farmer's wife and their little son. Then there is a friendly mongoose. The story revolves around these friendly mongoose and farmer's family. And then there is a black snake in the chapter also. What is the role of black snake? We'll see at the last. So the Friendly Mongoose is a famous folk tale from Panchtantra. The story revolves around a farmer's family and a mongoose. So, first scene is farmer's family and the introduction of the mongoose. So, this story begins with the farmer in a village who thinks that their small son needs a companion. The son is very small, who is born only few months ago, and farmer thinks that he needs a companion, somebody, a friend like to grow with. So what he does, he brings a baby mongoose into the house and baby mongoose start living as a family member, and within few months the baby mongoose is grown to full size, but still the boy little son is only few months old. He is still in his cradle. So one day what happens, the lady decided to go to the market. Maybe she wants to buy some groceries or do some work at the market, but she informs and tells her husband that please look after and keep an eye on the mongoose, as she does not like their baby alone with the mongoose in the house. But farmers assures us that mongoose is a good and friendly animal. Our baby is safe with him, and although they both like each other. So the wife goes away and farmer stays at the home, but he has nothing to do at home. So he decides to visit and look after his fields nearby the house. So while he is coming back after looking at the fields, he meets some friends and become busy with them. Now lady has finished everything, shopping and everything in the market, and she comes home, and when she is near her home, she sees that the mongoose is sitting on the steps of the house, but his mouth and his paws are all covered with blood. And while watching this, she becomes so angry that she comes to a conclusion that this mongoose has killed their baby. And what she does, she drops that basket and pot of groceries on the head of the mongoose and runs inside towards her son, thinking that their son is dead. But what happens? When she enters the room, she sees that her baby is sleeping in a cradle and a black snake is lying dead on the floor with the blood. Well, what would have happened in the absence of the lady? The black snake could have come into the house. That black snake is trying to bite or attack the baby. So mongoose simply killed that snake and saved the little boy. But without knowing any of the story or anything, the woman gets angry and kills the mongoose and comes to the wrong conclusion that mongoose has killed the baby, but it is black snake which mongoose has killed to protect their baby. So she now understands her mistake after looking at the body of the snake in the house, and then she runs back towards the mongoose, but mongoose is already dead. She cries, sit near mongoose, and holds her head and says, "What have I done?" Moral of the story: here we see that the lady became angry and with rage killed the mongoose. Yes, it happens that sometimes without thinking and in anger we take such decisions which we are going to regret a lot later. So this story teaches simply that don't take actions without thinking and never act upon angry decisions. You must always think and come to a right conclusion before taking any kind of action. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understood the story. See you next time.